Hello guys, this is sixth video on the MCQ series of environment. This is about me. So start करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन के ऊपर. And in which of the following biotic interaction at least one organism is positively affected? One mutualism, second commensalism, third predation, fourth parasitism. A 1, 3 and 4, B all, C 1 and 4 only, D 3 and 4 only. The answer here is B all. Mutualism में दोनों positively affected होते हैं. Commensalism में one is positively affected, other is not affected at all. Third and fourth, one is positively affected and other is negatively affected. So the answer here is B all. This is very easy, simple question based on concept. Second is which of the following are sedimentary cycles? One phosphorus cycle, second sulfur cycle, third carbon cycle. A 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2, D all. The answer is C 1 and 2. Phosphorus and sulfur are sedimentary cycles, and other like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, they are gaseous cycles. The third is what type of succession is brought about by living inhabitants of the community. First, autogenic succession, second, allogenic succession, third, autotrophic succession, and fourth, D, that is heterotropic succession. The answer here is A, autogenic succession. Autogenic succession is brought about by living inhabitants, allogenic by non-living inhabitants, and autogenic succession is also of two types, autotrophic and heterotropic, in which more green plants are there, that kind of succession is autotrophic, and in which more predators and heterotrophs are there, that type of succession is heterotropic succession. Zooxanthellae is associated with which of the following ecosystem? Factual question, but simple question. First, forest, second, coral, third, mangroves, D, wetlands. The answer is coral reefs. Coral reefs are actually the symbiotic relationship between coral and zooxanthellae algae. Zooxanthellae algae is responsible for giving color to the coral reefs. And in coral bleaching, the symbiotic relationship between coral and the zooxanthellae algae breaks down, and that leads to coral bleaching, the discoloration of corals. Now the next question is which of the following statements are correct? First, concentration of toxin always increases with increase in trophic level. Second, lion used to be the national animal of India before 1972. Regarding the first statement, concentration always increases. This is extreme statement, and extreme statement is generally wrong, and it is wrong also. Generally, it increases, and that is called biomagnification, but it is not necessary that concentration of toxin will always increase. So the first statement is wrong statement. Second, lion used to be the national animal of India before 1972. This is correct. Lion was the national animal till 1972, and after then the Wildlife Protection Act was passed, Project Tiger was launched, and then the national animal was changed from lion to tiger. So second is correct, first is wrong. The answer is B, 2 only. Which of the following industries is the maximum consumer of water in India? A, engineering, B, paper and pulp, C, textiles, D, thermal power. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये 2013 के यूपीएससी द्वारा पूछा गया सवाल है. आंसर इज डी, थर्मल पावर प्लांट. और आप लॉजिक के साथ सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि थर्मल पावर प्लांट में क्या होता है, वाटर टू स्टीम कन्वर्जन होता है, उसके लिए वाटर की काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट होती है इन हेवी अमाउंट, और उसी के चलते डेफिनेटली अगर आपको क्या पता है कि वाटर टू स्टीम कन्वर्जन होता है जिससे टर्बाइन मूव होता है थर्मल पावर में, तो उसमें वाटर की हेवी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. आंसर इज डी, थर्मल पावर प्लांट. Now the next question is factual question based on sanctuaries and protected areas. Where is Vikramshila Sanctuary, the only protected area for the conservation of Gangetic dolphin, the national aquatic animal of India? A, Uttarakhand, B, UP, C, Bihar, D, West Bengal. The answer is C, Bihar. Vikramshila area is also in Bihar, and it is in Bhagalpur district. The area is Sultanpur region in the Bhagalpur district of Bihar. The answer is C, Bihar. Which of the following are related to Aichi targets? A, disaster management, B, climate change, C, biodiversity conservation, D, sustainable development. The answer is straightforward, C, biodiversity conservation. Very simple question, factual question though. And this is the last question of today's MCQ series. Which of the following are correct with respect to Jatayu Conservation Breeding Center? It is in the state of UP, and it is within a Bir Sikargarh Wildlife Sanctuary. The answer is B, 2 only. ये हरियाणा में इन पिंजौर सिटी, तो यूपी तो गलत है, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. सेकंड इज करेक्ट, और ये वल्चर से एसोसिएटेड है. जटायु इज वल्चर इन हिंदी, और जो मेजर जो प्रॉब्लम है दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ डाइक्लोफेनिक मेडिसिन विच वाज यूज्ड इन द animal husbandry sector, and that destroys the kidney of vulture. So the alternative meloxicam is now used and incentivized instead of diclofenac medicine. So this is the end of the MCQ series. Definitely आपका जो भी score होगा out of 10, definitely do comment in the comment section. That helps in letting me know कि अब कितना tough सवाल बनाना है. अभी तक मैं बोलूँगा ये easy to moderate level का ही questions थे. Difficult question मुश्किल से एक या दो थे. अब definitely with coming time and the coming videos मैं difficulty level बढ़ाऊँगा. तो do post the scores. एंड उसके अलावा अगर डिफरेंट एरिया से आप चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली अगर ज़्यादा लोग अगर पोस्ट करेंगे कि डेफिनेटली वो जिस सेक्शन से चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली मैं उस सेक्शन से रिलेटेड जैसे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी या इकोनॉमी से रिलेटेड भी MCQ में डाल दूँगा. सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.